The ocean is a vast ecosystem covering over 70% of the Earth and reaching extreme depths of over 36,000 feet. This enormous marine world contains a large variety of known ecosystems and species, ranging from microscopic phytoplankton to giant squids. However, 95% of the ocean is still unexplored, further emphasizing the fact that we have only scratched the surface when it comes to ocean exploration. Of the ones we know, marine organisms have developed unique traits in order to survive and thrive in the ocean. Despite the specific characteristics that each species possesses, bioluminescence is one of the most common adaptations in the ocean, existing in 90% of animals found in waters below 500 meters. Bioluminescence is defined as the production and emission of light by living organisms. But how is it produced? The light that these organisms produce is a result of a chemical reaction between a molecule called luciferin and oxygen, often catalyzed by the enzyme luciferase. The luciferin molecule is responsible for producing light when it reacts with oxygen. The color of most bioluminescence is blue-green. This is because light with longer wavelengths, like red light, can't travel as far in the water, so it is harder to see. So why do a large number of marine organisms exhibit bioluminescence? There are many different reasons why. Some use it to catch prey. For example, the deep-sea anglerfish lures prey into its mouth with a glowing barbel. Within the glowing barbel are thousands of tiny bioluminescent bacteria. Other marine organisms utilize bioluminescence to attract mates. A great example of this can be seen in Bermuda fireworms, which are benthic organisms that are found living on the seafloor. Every full moon, females of some Bermuda fireworm species move out into open water and use bioluminescence while swimming around in circles to attract male Bermuda fireworms. If you thought that feeding and reproduction were all that marine organisms use bioluminescence for, you'll be surprised to find out that they also use it for self-defense. The vampire squid is a squid species that does just that. When threatened by a predator, the vampire squid releases a plume of bioluminescent mucus. This brightly colored plume can startle, distract, and confuse the predator for a brief period of time, allowing the vampire squid to escape to safety. Counter-illumination is another defense mechanism that involves bioluminescence. Organisms that use this tactic have light-producing cells on the bottom of their bodies. When seen from below by a predator, these cells allow them to blend in with the light from the surface of the ocean, making it harder for predators to spot them. Bioluminescence is an incredible adaptation that has evolved over millions of years, and there are probably thousands of bioluminescent species in the unexplored regions of the ocean that are waiting to be discovered.